Hello students, we've reached the end of our geometry unit and we're going to be doing a project involving these three parts. This video is to show you the options that you have in each area. There are three options for the writing part. The first option is isosceles in art. And in this option, you would find an isosceles triangles from artwork or from architecture or wherever. And for the writing section, you're going to be describing it. So an example of that might be something like, these handcrafted wooden earrings appear to be isosceles. However, upon further inspection, ... Another option that you have for writing is to create your own problem. So here's a problem that I've created. You're going to make a diagram, however you like, and then describe the problem and its solution. So perhaps this is an example here. This problem consists of a 5-point star made of an isosceles triangle. The star has been cut by a transversal, and if the exterior angle of the triangle is 24, find x, and then you would explain how to solve it and go from there. All right, so you can create your diagram there however you would like it to be. And then the third option for writing is to create a story that uses transformations. An example of that might start, once upon a time, a small boy had to move across town. Upon arrival, he discovered that he was still the same shape and size. Okay, so that's the writing section. I want you to choose one of those three. The next section I would like you to do is to show mastery of the geometric software that we've been learning, GeoGebra. The first GeoGebra choice that you have is to create a diagram that shows mid-segment. So here on this diagram I can see that I have the mid-segments all labeled, and I can move all the points, and as the points move I can see that I have the mid-segments, and I can see that each one is twice the length of its side. So, and you can see that the picture is completely movable and that all the pieces seem to be functioning fine. The next option that you have is to create a construction of side-side angle to show why the triangles are not similar. So here we can see that the large triangle is similar to this one, but there's also the blue triangle in here, and I can move these things. I can move these things to show that in different positions there's different triangles possible. And I would want you to explain some about what's going on in your picture that you create with side-side angle. And lastly, the third option is to create a triangle showing circumcenter. And so here you can see that the triangle is completely movable and the center is labeled, and I can move this however I like to on the screen and things still work. So oops, if it stops working we can just, here we go. Cool. And the last part of the project is to create something physical. So I have three options for you in that area. The first one is to make a dilations poster where you have an image and you make a scale factor, and then you blow that image up, copying the squares exactly. The next option is to create an isohedron out of straws and string, and you can see that the isohedron here has 20 sides, all regular, all the same, each one triangles. So yay. And the last option is to create a hexagon using origami. It's called a flexagon, and what this is
if you fold it, you can open it up, and it creates different shapes here. And so, let's see. We can also do that one. Then there's that one. Ooh, this one. Yay! So, yeah, can you see that one?
Lots of different options. So that's neat. A neat little origami project with some geometry in it for you. So you want to choose one of those. And so together, all you're going to choose one from each category to work on, and then we're going to have our geometry project. So yay! I hope you're excited.